Hello viewers, Roshmi is back again. Today I will show you all Chanderi material, Chanderi and pure Resham check, which are very summer friendly and easy to wear, easy to wash. So let's get started. Sari number 1. This is hand Kantha stitch on Chanderi, half and half, red and white combination. All these saris are along with the blouse piece. See, from palla it will go like this way. From palla, half sari will be like this. I will show you the work. See the integrated work. These all are hand Kantha stitch. Price is 3150. Material is Chanderi, cotton Chanderi. On cotton Chanderi, and the half portion is white. Half portion is white. See, half and half with the blouse piece, and the color of the blouse piece is also white. I will show you the blouse piece also. Here is the view. Price is 3150. Material is cotton Chanderi and the work is hand Kantha stitch along with the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. See, this is the blouse piece with the work, and the price of this sari is 3150. Sari number 1. This is very soft and comfortable material. See how soft it is. Sari number 2. Same thing. This is not half. This is with the contrast blouse only. Blouse is pure cotton. See, here is the palla portion. I will show you with the draping view. It will be easier for you to understand. Price is 3150. The color is lavender and with the hand Kantha stitch. See the work. These all are Chanderi material. Chanderi material, and the price is 3150. Blouse piece is, here is the blouse piece, yellow color. Sari number 3, it is on white base. See the work. Each and every work is different from each and every sari. Here is the palla. The color is milk white. Material is cotton Chanderi. Cotton Chanderi and the work is Kantha stitch. Here is the view. See the Kantha stitch. And the price of this sari is 3150. Palla portion. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is also with the work, and the price is 3150. 3150. Sari number 4, peach color. All the designs are of Kantha stitch. I will show you the colors only. I will show you a variety colors so that you can choose. Peach color. This is peach color with green blouse piece. With green blouse piece. Here is the view. See the view. Peach color, the work. Here is the work, and the blouse piece of this sari is green color, and there is also a piping blouse piece. Sari number 5. Sari number 5 is very unusual color. It is green, but how can I explain? This is moss green. You can say this is moss green, or this is mehendi green, you can say also. Here is the work. See the work. Price 3150. These all are Chanderi, cotton Chanderi, very comfortable and easy to wear. And here is the work. And the blouse piece of this sari is orange. The color of the blouse piece is orange. Sari number 6. This is tussar color or beige color, cream color also you can say. See, palla portion. Palla portion. Here is the view of the sari. View of the sari. The entire sari with the work and blouse piece is of red color. Here is the blouse piece. Price 3150. This is also chanderi, cotton chanderi material. Another one with the same color with black border. It was with red border. This one is with black border. See, palla. Price is 3150. These all are chanderi with kantha stitch. Chanderi material with kantha stitch, and the price is 3150. See the work. It is very bright, colorful, and the work is so neat and clean. And the blouse piece of this sari is black. Blouse piece is black. This is maroon color, but not bright maroon. See, here is the palla portion. See, these all are kantha stitch. Base material is chanderi, cotton chanderi. This is the kantha stitch. See the work. See the neatness of the work, and the price is 3150 with blouse piece. Here is the entire body, and the blouse piece of this sari is cream color. Here is the blouse piece, and the price is 3150. This is light green. This one is on light green. See the color. Very soft color. Ideal for summer. This summer. And the material is very soft. Very comfortable. See. The price of this sari is 3150. The color is light green. Here is the color. And the blouse piece of this sari is rani color. This is not rani, it is dark pink. Dark pink. Another one on chanderi kantha. This is very bright blue color. See, here is the view of the entire sari. View of the entire sari, and the price is 3150 as usual. 3150 material. These all are chanderi, cotton chanderi material. See, here is the view, and the blouse piece of this sari is, see, pink color, light pink. Price is 3150. Now I will show you some white chanderi. Some white chanderi with blouse piece. These all are hand ari with cut work, and the price is 2750. All are hand ari with cut work. Palla portion. I will show you 5 colors. All are white. Chanderi material, cotton chanderi. This is the work. See the work. See, here is the view of the sari. This is the view of the sari. I will show you the blouse piece also. There is a border, and the blouse piece of the same material. See, here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari, and the price is 2750. You have seen the work. This all are hand ari with cut work. I will show you a close view. Hand ari with the cut work, and the price is 2750. I will show you some more colors on this. All are of same design, same pattern, only the colors are different. See, here is the view. Yellow, this is yellow with this blouse, white with yellow. These all are hand ari with cut work. The material is cotton chanderi with blouse piece. Price is 2750. 2750. I think it is clear. Next one with Rani and orange combination. With Rani and orange combination. Material is cotton chanderi. All the materials are cotton chanderi. Very soft and comfortable material. See the view. See the view. Here is the work. And the blouse piece of this sari is, see, this is the blouse piece which I am providing, and the price is 2750. 2750. Material is chanderi. These all are of same pattern, only the color combination is different. Another one, and here is the blouse piece. Those who are asking for white sarees, I am showing you for you friends. I think you will like it. If you like, please share with your friends, subscribe, and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. We deliver pan India through courier, but you have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking, and COD facilities is available only within Kolkata. Next one, sari number 15. This is with red, bright red, I mean two types of red and maroon. This is not black. This is maroon and dark maroon and light maroon. And here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price is again 2750. Material is chanderi, and the work is, as I told you, the work is hand ari with cut work. Price 2750. Now I will shift to Resham check. These all were chanderi. Now the material is Resham check, ari work which I am wearing. See the sari which I am wearing. See the work, and I am showing you the same sari with of different colors. Palla portion. Palla portion. This is bright yellow. Bright yellow. Palla portion and entire body. I will show you the work very closely. See, this is hand ari work, and small mica are there and throughout the body. And see the back portion so that you can understand it is hand ari. See the back portion. These all are hand ari work. Hand ari, and the sari number 16 price is 2800 with blouse piece. All the saris are with blouse piece, and this is Resham check. This one is sari number 17. Same thing with different combination. This is maroon color. See, with maroon color. See the view. This is the view, and here is the blouse piece. This is the palla portion, and here is the blouse piece. Blouse piece. Price is 2800. Price is 2800. Resham check ari. Next one, sari number 18. This is lemon yellow. Lemon yellow with the same design and pattern. See, here is the view of the sari. price is 2800. Material is resham check with blouse, and these all are hand ari work. These all are hand ari work. Price is 2800. And here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 19. It is grey color. It is of grey color. Very eye soothing. Very smart one. Here you can see the color. See, here is the color. I will show you in this way. This is the color, grey color, and the blouse piece of this sari is, this is the blouse piece. This is matching with the border. See the border? This is also resham check with ari work, and the price is 2800. This is sari number 20 of today, the last sari of today's episode. Orange color with resham check ari. Orange with resham check ari and black blouse. See the work. Here is the view. This is palla portion, and this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price is 2800. 2800. Viewers, you have seen 20 sarees on Chanderi and Resham check. I think you will like it. If you like, please share with your friends and subscribe. For a further notification of my next episode, please press the bell icon. And you have to book through WhatsApp, or you can call me on the number 9330866384. I will send you through courier. Shipping charges is absolutely free all over India. Only COD facilities is available only within Kolkata. Thank you.